Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes EQA. In this video I'll show you all safety preview. In the beginning, let's take a look at the driver's doors. The car is equipped with quick switch between lock and unlock doors, child lock for windows, and mirrors folding. Also it has electric mirrors adjustment. Here we can find parking brake, automatic lights and fog lights. On the steering wheel you can see speedometer, cruise control and also active distance assist that can be bought via store. Now take a look at the instrument cluster. On the instrument cluster we can find quickly service info with tire pressure monitor, assistant menu, navigation and sport menu. Take a look in the center of the car. If you press this button, you will enter 360 camera that can be also adjusted, and you can see different angles of your car. Now let's go to the menu. Enter settings and assistance. Here you can manage collision assist, ESP, active brake assist, lane keeping assist, blind spot assistant, again assist where traffic sign assistant, traffic light view, attention assist, camera and parking settings. In vehicle you can also manage occupant protection with occupant presence reminder and belt adjustment. The car is equipped with multiple airbags, SOS and Help Me system. On the back you can find two ISOFIX latches on the outer seats. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.